भारत से अलग अलग डेलीगेशन दुनिया भर में पहुंच रहा है। पाकिस्तान को बेनकाब करने का काम किया जा रहा है। स्पेन के मैड्रिड में भी सर्वदलीय डेलीगेशन पहुंचा है। देखिए, अलग अलग डेलीगेशन पहुंच रहा है, अलग अलग साथ में लीडर के साथ। डीएमके सांसद कनिमोझी डेलीगेशन का नेतृत्व कर रही है। साथ ही साथ डीएमके सांसद का बयान आया है, भारत ने पाकिस्तान को चेतावनी दी है, आतंक और आतंक को प्रायोजित राज्यों के बीच अंतर नहीं होगा। दुनिया ये समझे कि भारत को ब्लैकमेल नहीं किया जा सकता। भारत के पूर्व राजदूत मनजीव सिंह पुरी का भी बयान आया है, आतंकवादी घटनाओं में पाकिस्तान का हाथ है। बीजेपी नेता कैप्टन ब्रिजेश चौटा का भी बयान आया है, हम कई सालों से पाकिस्तान पर आयोजित आतंकवाद को झेल रखे हैं। भारत का संदेश साफ था कि हम इसका जवाब देंगे, ये उनके ओर से कहा गया।
To tell the India story, to tell India's voice, to tell India's emotions, because only if we express these emotions, probably the world will understand. Because the world has never understood our pain. Because we have not just faced terror, we have been warriors of terror. And terror has not just happened in Kashmir. Terror has happened in Delhi, terror has happened in Varanasi, happened in Ahmedabad. It has happened in every part in Bangalore. So this is the Pakistan state-sponsored terrorism we have been facing for the past 70 years. And Pahalgam incident, I must tell you friends, you must have all seen it on television, the way they were killed. They were asked for their faith. The women and children were kept away. Their family member was killed in front of them, and they were told, please go and take this message around the nation.
Afternoon, we met a person, a Spanish citizen, a person from this country who was in Taj Hotel when it was attacked by these Pakistani terrorists. And now India has declared that it shall not distinguish between terror and states which sponsor terror. We come together as citizens of India in one voice, bringing the message of our government, of the citizens of India, saying that India is not seeking revenge. India wants accountability. We want justice. So we bring this message. We want the world to understand that India cannot be blackmailed.
It's a country, rather large country in our geography, the Pakistanis, who have been identified by the world consistently, whether you take 9/11, you take any of the major global actions, invariably, either directly or indirectly, the hand of Pakistan is there, and Pakistanis are identified as the people doing it. And you will agree with me that it can't be that there are disparate people in Pakistan doing things, and this huge big country with a massive army doesn't know what's happening and things are just happening. Not at all. They are the sponsors of all of this. Why did we request the ambassador that we want to meet you? We're meeting parliamentarians, we're meeting members of the government, I think we're meeting His Excellency the Foreign Minister. So we are seeing think tanks and others. And of course we are doing what we have to do in terms of the government of Spain, and the government of Spain as a bilateral partner of ours, as somebody who's a major player in the European Union, which is a very major part of the world.